what to do.
Well done, babe!
I'm so proud of you. I'm ready. Good morning. It's currently 7:45 and I've just got up and ready for the day. I'm gonna go and make myself a cup of tea so I can have a little relax before going to my workshop this morning. Right, I am on my way to go and meet one of my friends to walk to our workshop together. In this workshop, we were just learning how to use different editing softwares. And then we were taken on a tour of all the different editing suites in the building. So I've just got back from my workshop and I've made myself a fruit bowl so I can have a little relax before going to the house viewing. I didn't actually get any videos of the house itself, but I went to a house viewing before making some lunch and having a little relax. Then I made a start on some editing for this video. My friend came round and had a light little snack before I headed over to Sports Central for my first swimming training session of the week. This is me just taking my costume out of the little drying thing after, and I made my way back to have some dinner and a relax before one of my friends came round. Good morning. Today is my day off. It is lovely and sunny outside. Today is my day off, so it'll just be more of a chill day today. Still got a couple things to do, so yeah. I started my day off by having some breakfast, tidying my room, taking notes and watching the film for this week's seminar and doing a little bit of editing. I've just packed my things up and I'm ready to go and meet one of my friends at the library. I made my way over to the library and I managed to lock in. I did a bit of work from each of my modules that I'm currently doing before we went out and had a little shop because I needed to pick some stuff up for my costume for the swimming social, and we just had a lovely little look around.
I might get that one, you know. Fail and just get it all over the floor.
And then I had some food before I left for swimming. I am on my way to swimming right now. It's only an hour tonight because then we can go home and get ready for the swimming social tonight, which is always exciting. The theme this week is grapes and goddesses / gods. So I will be dressing up as a grape tonight, which will be shown at some point in a little bit in this video.
One more.
Good morning. It is currently 10:10 and I have my first seminar of the day at 11. I am feeling really tired after last night. I'm ready, I'm prepared, I have my notes ready for the seminar. It's gonna be great.
Oh my god, the alien trans.
Yeah.
And that's what I managed to see of them actually.
It takes him and it takes the...
Before my next seminar, my friend and I went to Habitat and did some group work.
one of the formulas, but if you can do both of them. So I wonder if, take all the words that you have in that sentence and try using...
After my final seminar, I went to the library and did some more work before going over to the Film Society, where we watched Apocalypse Now, and then after that went to Habita and joined in with the karaoke. Good morning. It is currently, I don't know what time it is. It's currently 6:15 in the morning. You can tell it's very dark outside. And I've just got myself ready for swimming. Hour and a half of training this morning, but luckily I have the day off, so I can just come back and chill. I'm waking myself up with a glass of juice, an apple and a little fruit bar. I love going swimming on a Friday morning because it's always so peaceful and I always feel so refreshed after, and the walk there is always so nice and quiet. I didn't get any videos from training, but here's me packing my things away and then doing my walk home. And later on, I treated myself to some McDonald's. Just had a chill day on Friday. Here's me doing some cooking, making some dinner. I had a chili, chorizo and couscous dish before my friends came round and we had a little play on the piano to end the day off. Good morning. It is Saturday, the weekend. I had a very lovely lie-in this morning, so I feel very well rested. I've just got myself ready because my friend and I are going to the cinema and I can't wait. That's basically all I have planned today, so other than that, probably just going to get a bit more work done, really. So I'm still going to rest and relax. Now that I've had my dinner, I'm just settling down to do a bit of script writing work for my approaches to storytelling module, as I'm writing a script for a 5-minute short film. Now that I've had some feedback from my teacher, I'm just working through my script to develop it just a bit more. Good morning. It is Sunday. The plan for today is to lock in, tidy my room, have some food, go to the library. That's all I have planned for today. I'm gonna try and get as much work done as possible. I have locked in. I've managed to get a lot of work done today and I've taken a little break. I've just taken the bins out and now I'm on my way and headed to the library to have a little change of scenery and get some more work done. So I am prepared and ready for the week ahead.